Hey, come here. Hey, where you going? Come on, Pedro. We're having a morning coffee, and Pedro, come on. Hey, come on. And he was just outside. Come on, come here.
Too much sun.
Is that too much sun? Where's Daddy? Where's Daddy? Look, Daddy. Hey, hey, Pedro's out in the open. You want to help Mommy in the garden? Hey, hey. This is one bird who is afraid of the sun. So it's actually sort of a comfort for us to know that, yes, I know that you're afraid of the sun. That's why. Hang on. Oopsie. Want some fennel? Hey? Hey, you full? Okay. Come on. What are you looking at? Hey? Is it decent? Are you sure? Decent? You want to go inside, Pedro? Hey? You want to go inside with Daddy now? So every morning, this is the routine. Pedro has a cuppa with Mommy and Daddy outside. Hey! Hey!
You fly back inside.
Okay, come on, go inside. Go. Oh, it's windy, baby P. You better go inside. Hey? Hey? Hey! You don't want to go inside? Oh, you don't want to go inside. Oh, okay, go inside there. Bye-bye, baby P. Mommy's just here in the garden.
Bye-bye.
Okay, baby P, look. We're going to say hello to your little birdie, isn't it? Hey, Pedro's helping Mommy in the garden. Hey, let's go get some plants, hey? Look at this one, baby P, hey? We are out in the open here, and Pedro doesn't fly away. You know why? Oh, I know, because you're scared of the sun, aren't you? You're scared of the sun. Look at the crystal. Did you see that? Hey? Okay, let's walk in here. So, as long as there's no sun, Pedro's okay. So Mommy's tidying up her succulents. Hey? 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 Hey! Oh, look at that one. Is that pretty? That's pretty, isn't it? This one we have to transplant. This one, Pedro. No, you don't want to. Why not? Hey? Why can't we transplant this? Hey? Should we transplant it? Hey? I think we should. Hey? So, you're so cute. I know I'm so cute. Thank you. What about you? You cute? Hey? Ooh. Look, there's the sun, Pedro. There's the sun. The minute he sees the sun, look at this. Hey, he's going to fly back inside. Ooh. Oh, you're making a liar out of Mommy, hey? As long as Mommy's here, you're not afraid. You got the sun on you, Pedro. You're going to melt. You're like a vampire.
No, he doesn't like it.
Hey, he doesn't like the sun. Oh, yes. You're still happy. Hey? Should we go out here? Let's go check out the other plants here. Oh, look at that one. It's pretty. Hey, who's that birdie there? Look, there's a cute birdie there. I've got a mirror here and Pedro can see himself. Hey, yep, teddy bear with a heart. Look, teddy bear. Hello, teddy bear. Okay, okay, it's too much sun, Daddy says. Okay, he's now down on the floor. And that's the reason why Pedro comes here, so he can eat some grits. You can eat some grits in it, baby P. Okay, let's go. Come on, come on, come. I can't even get him. Look, I'm chasing him. Pedro, come on, come on. Pedro, come on, let's go, let's go. Baby P, come on, be a good boy. I'm getting grits. I'm going in. Bye, Pedro. Mommy's going. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. There you go. He's inside now. It's been really hot today.
Hot in it, baby.
Yeah, so we're just sitting outside with Pedro in Mommy's garden. Hey?
Baby P. It's hot inside. We see the outside, hey baby.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep.
Hey Pedro, you want to eat some grits? Hey, you want to eat some grits? Say, come here.
What will you do?
Hey, put it on the ground.
Hey.
Hey, there you go. This gets his minerals in it. He loves his dirt. Ooh, look at Daddy's dead toes, Pedro.
Hey, beep, beep, beep. No, it's gone inside.
Oh, he's got inside now. Hey, where you going? Come here, come. There you are. Okay, he's sitting now. Woohoo. Come on, come. Okay, silly bird. You just want us to go inside? It's hot.